My name's Doug Ferguson, Head of KPMG's Asia Business Group and Chairman of the ACBC Agribusiness Subcommittee.
I'm Scott Bouvier, I'm a partner at King & Wood Mallesons, and I'll be chairing the innovation session at the summit.
I'm Meredith Painter, I'm a partner in the Sydney office of King & Wood Mallesons, and I'm head of the agribusiness practice.
We've got a very broad range of speakers, all bringing very specific skills around getting a deal done. This will be both from a Chinese perspective as an investor and also an Australian perspective as a vendor.
Well, I think we've got a mix of both the practical and also the more academic or scientific. So there will be some practical case studies of businesses which have actually started trading in China with fish farms and also other fish technology, crustacean feeding technology, Novatech. I think then the other side will have the scientists in the room and they will talk about not only the science they're involved with but also the broader opportunities. So I think that mix is really important, the practical and also the sort of more academic and scientific.
The regulatory issues, both from an Australian perspective and obviously foreign investment is a big item that people are concerned about, but also concerns on the other side about the regulatory clearances that Chinese investors need to take in order to make the investments, getting money out of the country and getting the relevant road pass clearances. Otherwise, the issues regarding diligence, whether it be land title, water rights, employee issues, contractual certainty. This summit is very much targeted for Chinese investors and people wanting to do deals, trade, partner with Chinese investors. So it's very much a much more focused event. There's going to be a lot of panel discussion, case studies, speaking with people who have hands-on experience from both sides, from the Australian side, the Chinese side, advisors who work with these people to really get underneath and inside the deals and the issues.
In Australia in the last 12 to 18 months there's been a number of conferences and there's been also a lot written about Australia's opportunities to be China's provider of safe premium food. But what we need is to get people that are actually in the trenches doing deals to share their views around the challenges and how they dealt with those challenges to successfully complete a transaction.
It's actually about collaboration and looking for really mutual opportunities, because I think that's going to be better for China in developing its agricultural industry and also better for Australia in terms of it developing its innovation and R&D industry. So I think this forum is actually a unique forum to bring that all together. I think they'll look at it more broadly. I think they'll look at the opportunities a bit more broadly, and perhaps an Australian agricultural business might actually think a little more about the innovation they can share. They may look at that innovation as actually a way of developing a relationship that could end up being mainly a trading relationship or mainly a know-how relationship. So I think there's a opening up some opportunities, but I also think it's about the confidence to follow through with those opportunities.
Hopefully they get some practical insights, they learn something, they improve their networks and get to meet some like-minded people, and overall get a sense of optimism regarding the potential for the sector and for increasing good relations between Australia and China in the sector.